Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error. Are you sure you want to do this? Please try again in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. First, you can increase your PHP memory limit. You can increase upload file size and you can deactivate plugin from hosting. Now go to hosting. We are going to increase PHP memory limit. Now find wp-config.php file. So this is file, so right click on it and click on edit. Now file is open and we are going to add code. Now you see define wp memory limit 256 M. So you can add this code in your wp-config.php file and then click on save. Now you see message success, file is saved now. Now go to WordPress again and open dashboard again. Now we are going to increase WordPress upload size. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP upload size. So this is plugin we will use, so click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Scroll down, on left side you see tools and then you see WP upload size, so click on it. Then you see increase upload size, so you can add number according to your requirement. Now paste and then click on save changes. Now settings saved and go to appearance theme. We are going to upload theme again, or you can upload theme from backend. Go to WP content folder, then scroll down, you see themes and plugin folder. So open theme. So you can upload theme from here. You can upload zip file here. Now go to WordPress dashboard, click on add new, then click on upload theme, choose file. Now select theme and then click on open and then click on install now. Now you see theme is uploaded, so you can activate theme. And if your issue is not fixed, then you can rename plugin folder and then activate plugin one by one. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.